Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best painting set is probably one of the most versatile and engaging tools you can introduce to your young artist, offering a gateway to creativity and self-expression that goes far beyond simple coloring, allowing them to explore a world of vibrant hues, textures, and imaginative possibilities right at their fingertips, making it an ideal choice for fostering artistic development and providing hours of enjoyable, screen-free entertainment for children aged 4 to 8. Number 5. The Big Book of Silly Jokes for Kids. Prepare for endless laughter with this hilarious collection. It's packed with jokes that will have kids rolling on the floor. Discover a world of humor designed specifically for young minds. These jokes are sure to bring smiles and giggles. Looking for a good laugh? This book is your go-to source for silly jokes that are perfect for sharing with friends and family. We've curated the funniest jokes that kids will love. Get ready for a contagious wave of laughter. This is the ultimate guide to kid-friendly humor. It's filled with clever punchlines and guaranteed giggles for everyone. What we like? This art set offers a vast array of supplies for endless creativity. It features a convenient built-in easel for easy creation anywhere. If you're looking for a comprehensive and portable art solution for your child, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The painting set is great for kids ages 4 to 8, providing a good introduction to art. It includes a variety of colors and brushes, allowing for creative expression. The materials are non-toxic and safe for children to use. Number 4. Sunnyglade 185-piece Trifold Easel Art Set. Discover a complete art set designed for creators of all ages. It's packed with everything you need to bring your imagination to life, inspiring creativity and the joy of art. This portable art set features a built-in easel, allowing you to create masterpieces wherever you go. Everything stays neatly organized in its convenient carrying case. Rest assured, this art set is made from safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly materials. It's designed with children's well-being in mind, conforming to safety standards. Explore a vast collection of art tools including oil pastels, crayons, colored pencils, markers, watercolors, and more. It includes everything from drawing paper to brushes and accessories. Ideal for beginners and travel, this set is perfect for keeping young artists engaged and entertained. It's a wonderful way to nurture their drawing and painting talents. Bright and colorful supplies are included to spark your child's creative side. Let them explore and express themselves through art. What we like? This kit provides a delightful unicorn castle theme, perfect for young artists. The paints are safe and washable, making cleanup a breeze. If your child loves unicorns and painting, this all-inclusive set is ideal for fostering their creativity. What people say. The paints are washable and easy to clean up. The set includes a variety of colors and brushes, perfect for little artists. The canvas boards are a good size for young children to work on. Number 3. J. Mark Kids Unicorn Castle Acrylic Painting Kit. Discover the magical world of painting with this all-inclusive art kit. It's designed for young artists aged 4 to 12, providing everything they need to create their own masterpieces. This 28-piece set comes complete with a sturdy wooden easel, pre-stenciled canvases featuring enchanting themes, vibrant acrylic paints, and a variety of brushes. It even includes a smock and a convenient carrying bag. Our acrylic paints are safe, washable, and conform to ASTM standards. With 12 brilliant colors, they blend smoothly, allowing for endless creative possibilities on the included canvases. This kit is perfect for developing fine motor skills, fostering creativity, and building artistic confidence. It's an ideal activity for family time, classrooms, or summer camps. Enjoy a mess-free painting experience with the included smock. Experiment with various painting techniques using the 5 included wood handle brushes in different sizes. The palette allows for easy color mixing, empowering kids to create unique paint masterpieces. What we like? This set lets kids paint their own dinosaur figures, sparking imaginative play. It's a fun way to learn about colors and develop fine motor skills. If you're looking for an engaging and educational activity that combines dinosaurs and art, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The paint is washable and easy to clean up. The set includes a variety of colors and brushes. The canvas is pre-stretched and ready to paint on. Number 2. BAODLON Dinosaur Arts Crafts Painting Kit. Discover the BAODLON Dinosaur Arts Crafts Painting Kit, a perfect way to spark creativity. It's designed for hours of imaginative fun. This kit includes everything needed to decorate 10 unique dinosaur figures. Let your child's imagination run wild as they build their own prehistoric world. With multiple paint sets and brushes, it's ideal for 2 to 3 children to enjoy together. You can also join in for extra bonding and joy. Crafted from high-quality, safe PVC, these toys are built to last. The non-toxic, water-based paints ensure a safe and enjoyable painting experience. Beyond the fun, this kit enhances color recognition and creativity. It also helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Looking for a unique gift? This dinosaur painting kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for kids aged 4 to 10. What we like? These watercolors offer vibrant colors and are completely washable for easy cleanup. The convenient 2-pack ensures you always have supplies on hand. If you need a portable and mess-free watercolor set for kids or beginners, this is an excellent option. What people say? The paint is washable and easy to clean up. The set includes a variety of colors and brushes, perfect for little artists. The canvas boards are a good size for kids' paintings. Number 1. Mr. Pen Washable Watercolors 2-pack. Discover a world of vibrant color with our washable watercolors. This set offers a rich selection of hues, perfect for artists of all ages. Enjoy worry-free creativity. Our high-quality pigments are easily washable from skin and most fabrics, making cleanup a breeze. Take your art on the go. These compact and lightweight sets are perfect for school, travel, or unleashing your creativity at home. Achieve beautiful results with the included brush. Its soft bristles hold pigment well for smooth, controlled strokes. Keep your paints protected and organized. The durable snap-close lids ensure they are ready whenever inspiration strikes. Whether you're a child, student, or beginner adult, these watercolors are designed for everyone to enjoy. What we like? This book is packed with silly jokes guaranteed to make kids laugh. It encourages reading and provides endless entertainment. If you're looking for a fun way to engage your child with humor and reading, this joke book is a great choice. What people say? The paint pots are designed to be spill-proof, making cleanup easier. This set includes a variety of vibrant colors that are perfect for young artists. The brushes are easy for small hands to grip and control, allowing for precise painting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.